Hey everybody! So I went to Michael's again because I was looking for a specific item that they didn't have, and the sale ends tomorrow, so I have to go to another store and get it. But I did pick up a bunch of fun things at this location because they had a bunch that the last location I went to didn't have, like the sticker book and pretty much everything here. So I love the sticker coupon that they have right now, and their stickers are so pretty. So this sticker book was 60% off of the $9.99, but just look at the beautiful, I just love these chic, it's like a new thing for me, the chic, I don't know, images and the sunglasses and the lipstick and the makeup, and it's just, oh, I love it. And then this one I got because I need to lose a weight, you guys. I'm still working on trying to get baby weight off. It's like been 9 months though. And I thought that this would be fun for my bullet journal and maybe to help me kind of keep track of it and motivate me a little bit more. So I grabbed that one. And then these are cool because they're holographic. I don't know why I laugh every time, but because I keep talking about how much I love the holographic in every single video. Oh, cool, you get a little freebie. But I'm sad because you only get one sheet of the holographic and then you get two of these other colors. So that makes me sad. I didn't know that. And then this one's cool too because I want to put a hole punch through those and maybe use them as like the reinforcers, the binder reinforcers. And then this is just like a planner, like a good for planning for my bullet journal. I really liked it because I wanted the gold letters and I wanted like the little numbers and stuff. So, and then this Michael's was stocked full of these. I've been to two and I haven't seen, two and I haven't seen them. So I found these. Is the lighting okay? There we go. Sorry about my craft mat. It's really dirty, but I didn't have time to put my normal piece of stuff, my normal back. Anyway, you get what I'm trying to say. Look at this huge camera. So cool. Love it. And then I did get some dies, which were, those were spendy, but obviously, but look at how cute that die is. And then this one. And then these nested hearts. I'm mostly got these so I could do shaker pockets and use my fuse like for that. I picked up another big washi tube because let's face it, you guys, 60% off of these is such a good deal. And then my dad went ahead and used his coupon on these, I think. I'm not sure. We did two different transactions, but I think we ended up using a coupon on that. Did I get the other one? Yes. Okay, and then look, I got the last one. Oh my gosh. Ah, so cute. Lipstick, tubes, bows. Oh my goodness. Like, I just love that one. Why are we blurry? There we go. And then I keep eyeballing these and I just got them. I'm not sure how I feel about them now though, that they're home. They're home with me. And then this one I got specifically for this like flower one. It's more like a navy. It looks black in the video. And I picked up a second jar of these because why not? It's on sale. And then again, they just had so many more stickers than the last Michael's I was at because they're cleaned out. The lady said that too. With the storage sale, they didn't get sent enough items and they got pretty cleaned out. So I got the ampersand and another unicorn. I thought these were really cool. They're like little stone looking kind of things. You've probably seen these. Every YouTube video I watch, every haul I watch, the ladies get that. So pretty much re-showing you kind of probably what if you've watched following Michael's hauls lately. These are fun for like little birthday cards or something. And then this is so cool. It's just a dimensional, I mean, it's just so cool. So I got that one. I've bought these before and I love them. So I did pick up that pack. And then I'm going to give these a try. They're like 3-dimensional. And yes, I found another one. I got the last one though. Oh my gosh, I love those. I'm obsessed. Picked up some more of this because I love wrapping things really cute. And then I got another heart gemstone. And I got some beads because the beads are on a good deal. I thought these would be cute on like a charm. And then I don't have this color yet, and it's a really pretty blue, so we got those. And I do have a couple packs of these, but they're probably my favorite bead right now, so I got those. I got another little $5 coupon, woohoo! And then these were on clearance, and these would be really cute. Like, you could do so much with those. I have plans for those, and I will post them on my Instagram, which I'll link below once I get that done. And then these are cute little picture frames, and those were half price. And then I picked up a cute little Easter basket for my son's first Easter. I didn't need to go too crazy because he's just a little baby, but I grabbed one of those. And then I got this for my daughter because she just loves jumbo things. And so we're going to put that in her Easter basket, and I'll probably put some fun stuff in there. And then, oh my gosh, look at this cake dish. Oh, or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what they call that. But, oh my gosh, so cute. I love dishes. Their photo boxes, I feel like, are on a really good deal. I almost put this back, but I ended up getting it. So just to kind of show you, it's kind of hard to show you, but I loved that. $1.66, I believe. And then these are super cute for filling with little goodies. I don't know if you can see. It's like a little bunny. I actually grabbed the last one and they had in that because I wanted to. And then I got little chickies. Super cute and fun. And then you always need filler. So I used a coupon on that. Okay, so that's all I have for Michael's. I went to Joann's to get some threads because I need some specific threads for things, and they weren't on sale, so I was kind of bummed, but I did use a 20% off coupon. So I did pick up this. This was 30% off. I know I could have waited. I should have waited. But I don't have this one, and I loved it, and I wanted it. So if you haven't seen that, that's the Amy Tan one. Their papers were half price, so I got some glitter, just some glitter sheets that I have plans for those too that I'll post on my Instagram. And then I got a star 12 by 12. Anytime I see holographic paper, I'm like, oh yeah. So, and then I got these ones. And then I went to Joann's also for some more of these cases because that's what I put my sequins and my beads in, and I always need more. But it's okay because they didn't have great coupons, so I'm gonna wait, and it was 20% off. So okay, I saw this paper pad and it was like, oh yeah. Can you see? Oh, which way does it go? So, but yeah, it's holographic paper. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it. It's gorgeous. I don't know why it has like those colors. It's all like a silver. I don't know. And then flamingo paper clips. These were in the $1.99 spot, but they rang up at like $3. So I might go back and take those back. They're just resealable bags. So here's the threads that I got. So I got like this cute like teal one, I guess. They like kind of like a seafoam. I went for gold, and I went for like this mustard color, and then this was really expensive. I'm sorry, I don't remember, but it's like a really pretty silky one. And then these are the colors too that I'm working with right now. Got some holographic sequins. And a lot of their beads were half price. So I picked up some seed beads for shaker pockets. And I got colors that I don't have. It's really hard for me to buy red. I feel like any time of year, especially when it's not Christmas or like Valentine's Day. But I got that red because it's like a matte. These were half price, and I got them because I want to do like some tassels with this or something. I don't know. We'll see. And then I got these little stick pins that you glue things on. And these were 20% off all their findings. So I got some of those and some jump rings. And then all their beads were 4 for $10, or I guess basically like $2.50 each. Then I picked up some dollar beads. Oh my gosh, look at this really pretty purple. Love those. I got the last one in that too. Otherwise I would have got 2 strands. But so these were all $2.50. They're normally $9.99. So I was doing the math. Normally I'll go stock up on beads when they are 70% off. So even when you do the math, like this is the cheapest that you're gonna get, the $10 ones. So I pretty much got all $10 ones. And they like their beads were stocked up, you guys. I was so excited because like Michael's right now, their beads are just so empty. And I'm hoping it's because they're gonna like add some in or something. I don't know. And then I got this one, which I mostly got this one for the colors, but I really like these rhinestone spacers. Why is my camera wigging? I'm sorry. And then these ones were really cute. I had to kind of step away and then go back because my eyes just were missing because it just was all kind of blending together. I did the beads last, which I shouldn't have, but this one was $7.99, so I guess I could have, I mean, I don't know. It's still a good deal, whether it was, you know, $7.99 or $9.99. But these are just individual tassels that I'm going to pull off and do something with. And then this is also something that it could be a bracelet if I wanted, or I can pull them apart. But I really love just the options here. Like there's so many, and I'm really loving emerald right now. It's also close to like a Kelly green, I guess, and then these ones. And I think is that everything? That's all I got. I had to look around and make sure. But yeah, and it's blurry. That's great. Sorry. So yeah, you guys, I obviously need to go to Michael's one more time and see if they have the washi tape holder. And then any other stickers I might need. So you might see me again here in a couple days. But anyway, take care. See you next time.